So we're in Terminal 2. We left Terminal 3 since this terminal actually has sleeping spots and something called the Enchanted Garden. Look at that. It's literally in... Oh, we were also talking to the helpful information desk earlier. They said this place, and when I mean this place, I meant this airport is actually the #1... Oh my god. This airport's the #1 airport in the world.
It's like a
second
segue.
Yeah, mutant segue. #2 is Incheon, apparently. She did not remember 3 to 10. But look at this place. Oh my god. You're very intrigued by the segue.
I'm really intrigued by the segue.
It's just one of those carts that move all the...
tow thing.
The tower cart, yeah. I've seen this.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Okay, let's go through the Enchanted Garden.
Okay, but I want to watch the towing thing first.
Oh my god.
There's some sort of, like, how do these things lock?
They lock. They lock. They have a locking mechanism.
That's kind of demented.
This is an enchanted forest.
Okay, but the enchanted forest is sitting still. Okay, you should film the enchanted forest.
So the cart's locked. And thing tows the cart. Oh my god. Look at this. It's like a piece of art.
Paging the foreign passengers on Scoot Flight TZ202 to Taipei and Tokyo Narita. Passengers Chen Huang-Ting and Liang Seung-Chia. Passengers Chen Huang-Ting and Liang Seung-Chia. Please go to gate F54 for the immediate boarding.
Beautiful mosaic thing. And there's like animal sounds. I did not even know that there were airports that invested so much into just making things awesome. I don't know, beautifying things. Oh, this is another koi pond. Probably some of the largest koi again. Those are huge koi. Huge koi. They're still pretty big. It's so gorgeous.
Other fish too.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I don't know what those are.
I think those are baby koi. Oh, no. Those are called... I can't pronounce it right. It's supposed to be...
There's a bunch of coins in there.
Gournamis? I think they're called gournamis.
There's a bunch of coins in there. Isn't that bad for them?
These fish are pretty hardy. But yeah, those are called gournamis.
Oh. If we want to GoPro film some koi, this is a better spot for it. For some reason, these koi are
more active.
These koi are more